Welcome to Tattenhall Marina, the Lakeland Leisure haven tucked away in the beautiful Cheshire countryside. I've come down here today to meet Andy, to have a look around this wonderful marina and to have a look at some of the boats they've got here for sale. The first boat that we're going to be looking at is this 60-foot Collingwood semi-trad, and this beautiful boat here is a 65-foot by 12-foot Dutch barge style wide beam. Andy, tell me about this. It's brand new?
It's a brand new 60-foot semi-trad built by Collingwood in Liverpool.
Okay.
It's got the very latest Epiphanes polyurethane paint on it.
Right.
So yeah, it lasts a lot longer than the old single paint.
Yes.
Singles.
Oh, so it's a two-pack?
Yeah.
Yeah,
the
fantastic.
two-pack. So she's two-pack under the waterline.
Yeah.
And also it's got the Epiphanes two-pack above the waterline.
Oh, right, okay.
So traditional single pack would last 10 to 12 years. This is about 20 years. Got a nice semi-trad stern.
So what does that mean, semi-trad?
So you've got, in narrowboats, you've got trad,
Right.
semi-trad,
Yeah.
and you've got cruiser stern.
Okay.
So cruiser stern would be totally open all the way around.
I see.
This is a semi-trad, so you've still got the seating, but you can close it in. So if you've got young grandchildren,
Yeah.
if you've got pets, it's far more secure.
A little bit more protection.
Yeah.
Tell us about what's going on further forward then.
So as we come down through the boat, you've got the max view. That is your onboard Wi-Fi.
I see.
All you need to do then is insert a SIM card, and then you've got Wi-Fi throughout the whole length of the boat.
So that uses the mobile phone network?
You use the mobile phone network, and also comes in handy for your smart TVs. So you're
I
streaming
see.
your Netflix,
Yeah, yeah,
you know, your Amazon, use a Fire Stick on the Amazon,
yeah.
bring anything you want in, YouTube,
Yeah, yeah.
which is
Okay.
getting very popular now,
Perfect.
obviously.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Grippy paint on the top so you can walk on.
It's non-slip, but a very, very fine sand. So as you can walk up and down, you're not going to slide
You're not
all
going
over
to
the
slide
place.
all over the place. Yeah, fantastic. I love this as well. The sliding hatch, and it's got stainless steel rails.
Yeah, and
it's
it
just a
literally
really
is.
nice.
Years ago, you'd have to give a good push.
Yeah, it's one finger.
It's one
is
finger
that,
now.
Is that ball raced?
It is
sounds
ball
like.
raced, yes.
Right, so it's stainless steel but ball raced on the hatch, so it
Yeah.
slides with it's one finger, and then the brush here to stop the drafts coming in. That's really amazing. I presume all the fittings on this are stainless.
All stainless,
Yeah.
other than the mushroom vents. We've done those in a matte black to go with the window frames.
Oh yes, yeah, makes sense.
Giving continuity.
Yeah, absolutely.
Then you've got an external view of the swan hatch.
Yeah,
We can open them when we get on the inside, but a wide hatch.
yes.
The reason they
absolutely.
go the wider hatches on this one, sometimes people want to put bigger furniture in, and
I
it can go
see.
straight through the sides.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, it's always a problem on boats getting stuff in through the washboards and,
Correct.
and what have you. Mind you,
That's
it's not
right.
washboards on these, is it? It's doors,
No.
but
You will also notice it's got the twin coach lines.
Yes.
Gives a little bit more contrast.
Oh, yeah.
Most narrowboats will have one coach line. We've had this one done with two.
right, just a little bit of extra
Detail.
added detail. Yeah.
It's all in the detail.
These are the mushroom vents for ventilation.
That's the mushroom vents. You normally get 5 on a boat. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which
Okay.
is pretty normal.
Do you get much problem with condensation in boats like this?
Very, very little condensation. The whole point of the mushroom vents is to keep them open and get the circulation of air.
Got it.
Condensation becomes apparent when you haven't got that air circulation. The
Right.
temptation is for everybody to screw them down and to block off the vents either end of the boat.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
if you look in the stern doors and in the bow doors, there's vents there.
So you think, oh, it's freezing cold, we'll close all the vents.
just
the worst thing you can do.
Worst
leave-
thing you can do.
Yeah.
Keep a circulation of air. Keep the boat well heated. Condensation will be minimised.
Yeah, and we'll have a look at the heating systems when we get inside. Okay, let's have a look further down. Oh, you've got cleats on the side here. What are these cleats for?
So-
the fair leads, rather.
You see here,
Yeah.
that's for your centre line.
Okay.
So if a single person boating, will always use the centre line more than any of the bow or the stern lines. Because it
Right.
means you can go into the lock as a one-person operator.
Yeah.
You can have the centre line in, pull it through either side, port or starboard, then
Yeah.
you're climbing up the ladder in the locks.
I see. What's this here?
So inside we've got a solid fuel stove.
Yes.
And at the moment, time of the year, we've just got the cap on, but inside you've got a full height.
See,
That's
because that just
it, just comes off.
wrecking the boat here. No, I'm not. Oh, I see. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, just dead simple. And that's for your flue, basically.
It
for your
is
stove.
exactly that.
Yeah. Solar panels. What have we
Solar
got?
panels. So you've got 4 in number, 150 watt,
Yeah.
surface fit,
Yeah.
and you can actually walk over them as well.
Right. So that's what, 600
600
watts?
watt, yeah.
600 watt in total. And all beautifully fitted, with correct fittings and everything throughout. Amazing stuff. Water fill is on this side, I see.
Correct.
And what have you got? Have you got a filler on that side as
No,
well?
no, one filler that side for the water.
For the water.
And the diesel's always at the stern.
I see.
Never to be confused.
I notice as well, you've got your port and starboard lights, a stern light,
Yeah.
and a flood light, so you can.
That's what we call the tunnel light.
Right. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
going through the tunnel, so you can go places at night.
Correct. And she's got the full width cratch cover,
Right.
and that's set up with a stainless steel tubular frame inside.
Yeah.
So it makes it light. Years ago, the boats would have solid wood cratch, but it was a bit cumbersome to take down, and
Yeah.
they require lots and lots of maintenance. These
Yeah.
are virtually maintenance free.
Yes.
These you can jet wash off, and once in a while,
Fabrics.
perhaps once a season, twice a season, give them a spray with something like Fab Seal,
Yeah.
and that would just keep the water, puddling on it. So on the bow of this boat is what we call the pinch Joshua. The pinch Joshua brings it to a point at the
Right.
so it cuts through the water better.
Okay.
As we come round, if I lean forward,
Yeah.
you'll just see as it pinches in.
I see. Yeah.
And if you look at a traditional boat, they got what we call the bull nose. This will assist it when it's cutting through the water, and also when you're using the bow thrusters, you'll get a better instant reaction using the bow thrusters. Whereas with a bull nose, you have to use the bow thrusters a bit more, and obviously takes a bit of wear and tear on the unit.
Amazing. So we'll get onto the engine and what have you in a minute, but I mean, obviously there's a cruising speed of 4 knots on the canal,
That's the legal limit.
the legal limit, but this will have no trouble keeping that up all day.
All day long, and because she's got the canal line 42 horsepower,
Yeah.
when you're on tidal rivers or fast
yes.
flowing rivers, the 42 will keep you going.
I see.
If you have the more basic 35 or 38s, she'll do it, but it will take a lot.
Yeah, I was just thinking, there's no tide on the canals, but of course if you get into the 7 and what have you, there is.
That's right.
Yeah, makes perfect
But
sense.
always avoid the 7 on the bore.
Oh, well, yeah, absolutely. So that is the exterior view round the 60-foot Collingwood semi-trad. Head over to our channel playlist for the full interior show round of this beautiful Collingwood, and of course lots of other incredible boats in the Lakeland Leisure collection, including of course the awesome wide beam you saw at the beginning of this video.